Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the new Meta AI on Messenger. So if you guys are wondering how to use the Meta AI on your Messenger applications, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So what we actually need to do first is to proceed with launching the Instagram applications. And what I want you to go ahead and do is to proceed with launching the specific chat that you want to go ahead and use Meta AI on. Now from here, you could go ahead and just choose any chat you'd like. And from here, just type in @Meta AI to use this new feature. Now, this will actually call out or basically have the bot in the specific chat for you guys to use. So all we need to do from there is to proceed with using Meta AI on Instagram, just like you would use any other AI software, by entering prompts, messages, or telling the AI software what you want them to do or help you with. And in the case that you cannot see this feature on your Instagram applications, we need to go ahead and double check if we are using the latest version of Instagram on our devices, and if so, and you still don't have that feature, well, we gotta be aware that this specific feature is not yet optimized on your country just yet, and we need to go ahead and just play the waiting game and wait until this feature is gonna be available on our country, since of course this will be a new feature and Instagram will only roll out this feature on selected countries until it is gonna be available on most countries everywhere. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.